Yo, hey guys, Ken Perryman here, and I'm back again with another product, and it is this guy right here. Let me turn it so you can see it. It is the ARENTI OP1, 4 megapixel Ultra HD outdoor pan tilt Wi-Fi smart camera. It says 5G Wi-Fi outdoor, but I think it's Wi-Fi 5. Anyway, we're gonna just go get right into this. I'm gonna show you what's in the box, because what we're also gonna show you is how to put this up, right? And how to connect it and how to get it working and all that kind of stuff. So let's delve right into this very quickly. So as always, on top is usually your quick start guide, as they like to call it. This is one's called a quick guide, packing list, information, notices, all kinds of information for you to follow and understand. We'll read that maybe later. You have a kit, which looks like you have a mounting bracket, and you have a very long cable. Well, let's delve into that here in a minute, but you've got, oh, I see. Okay, it's directly connected to the camera. Pull the camera out. It's in there pretty good. That will be all that's in the box. All right. Oh, it's a USB-C cable, and looks like it's a protective coating, so when you snap it into the cable, it should make it a bit more weatherproof. Now this guy, has a protective little piece on here that goes over the lens. I'm just going to leave that for a second. You have what looks like a peel open, your reset button. That thing is a heck of a, wow, that thing is huge. So SD card and your reset button. But this thing's huge. It's way up in there. I mean, it seems like it's like almost impossible to get anything in there. All right, so we're gonna have to go ahead and put, it says TF, but we call it SD here. Yeah, great pivot. Looks like it's gonna pivot and operate as you see fit. It has looks like a screw in. I bet you, yep, it's related to the bracket. So you can set the bracket on top, set your antennas where you need to, and then this guy will sit hanging. Leave that there so you can still see it. Let's check out what's in the bag. This is that bracket that I was talking about. I'm assuming that it will snap in. What is in the bag? We have then you'll be able to plug this, I believe, in, and then you connect this via underneath. Yeah, you get yourself a nice little seal. That's pretty cool. Like it. Watertight connection. You do have your brick, your charging brick, and connect here, and you'll plug it into where you need to plug it into. And then, of course, last but not least, your standard little packet of screws and anchors. That's pretty much it on the breakout of the box. Let's go ahead and put this thing in. Let's get our security going. And then also I'm gonna show you how we get the app going and give you a tour around of what this thing does and how much we can move it around and catch things. See things. Okay, so what's really cool about this is I already have power supply in here. Just got to turn it on and leave it on, but I have it plugged in. Got a bunch of cable, but it's going to be fed down through my deck, and underneath my deck is where I'm putting my camera. All right, so it's raining. This is so much fun. Okay, now that it's connected, let's go ahead. I'm gonna say it's connected to power. It's got a power source. It is running, so let's go ahead and get the app going. So it says to go ahead and activate the app. Let me see if I can actually scan that. I sure can. So we're gonna view in Play Store, so we can get Play Store. ARENTI, that's the name. Product configuration, we are scanning this bad boy. And I don't know if you can hear, but while it's sitting there, it's saying, hey, waiting to connect. So I get you, young lady, United States. Let's see the account. Oh, wait, sign up. Email, nperrymanreviews@gmail. Means agreement, yeah. Next, nickname. Okay, there's a person in the garage. Yes, my other cameras found me. Thank you. Devices. Okay, we need to fix an important situation. Notice. That's okay. Notice. Receive. Okay. Unopened. Allowed around in the allow. Okay. Add a new device. So let's go back to the instructions to tell us which device to add. Shows one with little intent. Oh, there it is right there. That guy right there. Please power on the device. Yes. Please reset the device. Okay, hold on. I got to do something real quick. So I had to close my phone, so we're back to this. I've got to get back on my ladder. Hey, you doing? At least the rain has dropped a little. I need to be about 5 to 8 inches from the camera. Yes, lady, I know, you're waiting to connect. So, all right. Okay, my device, edit, device found, back, deck, done. Cool, done. All right, let's go. Go to try. You can currently try the service that turned the alarm message picture video for free. Okay, go try. Okay, I see. Ooh. Oh, I just turned it. Yep. Oh. Okay guys, this is my more updated position. That's me, you can see me. That's so much better. I can see the street, but I don't see the neighbors. I don't look into their windows or anything. And okay, back deck just said it saw me. Wow, it's just like real time. Let me put this up. Sitting at 173 kilobytes a second. That is not bad. Let's see, auto, oh, only while using the app. Hey, what are you doing? Select the intercom, clown, uncle. What are you doing? You gotta be kidding me. Oh, what, uncle? Who's uncle? Oh my God, he's deep. Yeah, settings, volume. Let me see. Device name, back deck, basic function, video, alerts, Amazon Echo. Okay, Echo. Advanced features. I don't know what that means, but we'll deal with that later. Basic functions. All right, network indicator, privacy protection, PTZ correction, 12-hour clock, that's fine. Screen flip, no. Full color mode, intelligent vision. Don't want the logo watermark. Cool. Motion tracking. Successful. Did you move? Let's test it. Is it? Holy crap, it's following me. Okay, you guys can't see that. Let's go back to here. It is. It's following me. Oh my God, that is cool. It's following me. It's found me. It's tracking me. Holy crap, it is tracking me. Let me make sure that's the right place. Is that for you guys or for me? Oh my gosh. Oh my God. It's tracking me. I hope this was helpful for you. I really do appreciate your time. And depending on this security system, I'm out. Oh, still following me. Still following me. Goodbye. And away I go.